bururi-ini wa Haiti na ni ati bururi wa Kenya niwiheanite gutigirira no agikinyaniria kana niwanyitanira na mabururi mangi hari gutigirira no agicokia thayu na makeria bururi-ini wa Haiti ne kuringana na minsta wa ugitiri wa thhiini Professor Kithure Kindiki na uria ukiaritie ari county-ini ya Meru hindi igongona ria uhothithia wa mbeca wa Methodist na kuria augite ati ni meheanite gutigirira ni magicokia thayu bururi-ini uyu wa Haiti ni ripoti kana ni ripoti iria tukihaririirio ni mwandiki tuti Maina wa Mucwe.
It is because of the good work of our men and women in uniform that Kenya has been requested by the United Nations to contribute troops towards the peacekeeping mission in Haiti.
Miario ya minsta wa ugitiri wa thhiini Professor Kithure Kindiki agitetera murugamo wa thirikari wa gutwara maabitha a bururi-ini wa Haiti kugacirithia thayu.
Kenya has accepted to contribute 1,000 officers who will join officers from other countries.
Kuringana na minsta uyu na uria waritie ari igongona-ini ria uhothithia wa mbeca kanitha-ini wa Methodist Kithureni imenti ya gatagati kaunti-ini ya Meru yathingatite ateti kwaga kuingiria uteti undu-ini uyu na kuuga ati no nginya bururi wa Kenya unyitanire na mabururi mangi gucokia thayu bururi-ini uyu wa Haiti.
Ask our members of the National Assembly and Senate not to politicize security matters and to discuss the Haiti deployment as a legal obligation and as a matter of the public interest.
Ni uge uria wikiritwo inya ni munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua uria waritie ari igongona-ini ngurani kaunti-ini ya Narok onake akiuga ati Kenya ni iheanite guteithia arĩa na kugacirithia thayu bururi-ini wa Haiti.
Mambo ya kupeleka askari yetu Haiti wa polisi ni kitu ya maana sana ya kwamba polisi wetu wa Kenya wametambuliwa ya kwamba ni officers who are professional ambaye wanaweza kuaminika kwenda kusaidia wenzao katika dunia.
Na kuona ni ikinya ritumurite ciuria nyingi iguru rigie ugitiri wa bururi, Kindiki ni atheretie na kuuga ati bururi ni wihandite wega na uguo gutire na ihoru ria ugitiri rigutigwo wona maabitha aya maumagara.
I also want to assure the country that our participation in the UN peacekeeping mission in Haiti will not compromise our national security.
Oho ni ugite ati matigukorwo makiaga mitaratara o yothe ya gigatiba igie kuhetũkia ikinya ta riri uria mũmbunge wa gĩciki kia imenti ya gatagati eranĩire kunyitanĩra wona ndereti ĩno yatemanio bunge-inĩ ya gĩbũrũri.
I want to assure the country once more that the Kenya Kwanza administration will not take any shortcuts. We will follow the constitution and the law, and therefore we will be submitting as government the request to the National Assembly and Senate.
Tutaweza kukuja pale bunge, tutaweza kukusaidia ili hawa maaskari wetu waweze kuenda pale, sababu tunajua hawa askari wetu ni askari ambao wako na ujuzi.
Ni ikinya rĩtetio nginyagia nĩ igoti kuona igoti nene rĩakorirwo rĩkĩruta watho wa kũrũgamio kwa ikinya rĩrĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV njĩtagwo Maina wa Mucwe.
Na